morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Aurelio with 19 years of experience in critical care in epidemiology and the public health. I've worked in extreme conditions such as pandemics, war zones, and disaster sites, where the stakes were life and death. I've treated patients under circumstances imaginable and helped save entire communities from disease outbreaks. You need someone who knows how to act fast, stay calm, and lead in the moments of crisis. That's what I do. I'm not only a doctor, but someone who has always believed in the value of life, and I will fight to protect it with every skill I have. We're not just talking about the survival, we're just talking about the future of the humanity. If I'm the chosen one, I will dictate my fully myself to ensuring the health and the safety of individual in the mission. Logically, it's clear that without proper medical support, minor injuries or illness could quickly turn fatal in a new unknown environment. My knowledge of preventive medicine and experience in responding to new disease will be crucial in identifying and solving health risks before they escalate. A doctor isn't just useful, a doctor is essential. The survival of human race depends on it. Choosing me means choosing a professional who can lead in crisis, care for vulnerable, and ensure success for this mission. I will protect our future no matter the cost.